Hello folks, in this short video I like to explain the basic skills to smooth human skin and retouching defects in a business method. So I have a shoot I took a few months ago, and for this phase I have already liquefied myself a bit so that we can just focus on fixing the defects there. But before that, I'd like to fix my wig issue first. So let's get into it.
Come back to the point where we are going to edit my face. Before explain the concept of this technology, set the photo to black and white.
Find curve, drag right up to the middle to make it lighter, and left bottom to make it darker. Now group these two layers. The group is going to be our observation set. Quickly create a new layer. Change mode to soft light and check the filling options at the bottom. Let's enlarge. Set the brush color to only black and white. Change your opacity according to your need. I personally seldom change my brush, but one thing to suggest is that it will be better if you start the opacity in an extremely low range, just in case if you made mistakes. The shadow side is where it's called a deeper place when you sketch. It's also where we need to highlight to reduce the light lines or arcing. Now it's way clear to see the differences between the before and after reducing the shadow on my face. This tutorial may not be the most formal one to explain all the concept of skin smoothing, but it is what I always do for editing cosplay photos in a higher quality way. So thank you for your watching. Additionally, I have a simple speeding up process to show, the one which I complete the whole photo. So don't walk away.